What are you doing?
In the snow. Welcome back to our channel. So today, it was the first snowstorm ever in 2020. We can do any flips like this. I'm gonna do this. That's one of those movie actors that just do this. Let's go in the train. Oh, we are gonna go in the trampoline because it's filled with snow. Look at this hole I'm digging. So guys, we're going to our trampoline. We're gonna jump on it with snow. It's so hard to walk in the snow because I'm used to running, and now I'm going so slow. People are laughing. It's like a bed. Wish I could sleep out here for the night. Seriously. Oh my God! Snowman on our trampoline? Nah. But not on our faces. Or like on back. Hide, your hoodie fell. His hoodie fell.
His hat.
What? It's not gonna break. Let's do Crockett. Come on, let's get off. I'll tell Papa to give us the race because I feel like it's gonna break. With all that snow. That's what you get, Mama. No, that's what you get. Come closer. Okay, let's go back. I'm bringing the rake because we want to get all the snow off. Maybe we'll go here.
What?
I'm going to throw my mom a snowball. I got myself. Look at this. Let's go. I'm actually. Mama, can you know how to do this flip in the snow? Learn how to do this one.
Hi, Joey.
You got it on the foot.
What?
Look at this. You know this is a floor? Judy, how do you get back here? Well, you have to make sure, like, if someone's too heavy, you can fall down because there's a floor. How many feet is this? Can you? Huh?
I don't know, maybe like 1?
1 inch.
No, 1 foot.
Oh, okay, you just want to risk it. Risk it. Risk it. Joey boy, you so cute. Huh? Look at his little footsteps.
Yeah.
Look at those little footsteps. if you think this is funny, then you have to comment down below funny. I actually hit my neck over here. So I'm gonna do another one but forward. 3, over here where there's more snow. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna make the running flip. You can't do it in your face. Yes, you can. You can do it wherever you want. Face. You can't do it like that on purpose. You just throw it at me. I got the secret big one over here. Oh, I dropped it. Get me. Wait, I want. There we go. Look at this huge one I have for him. It's so huge. I hope it. Wait! You're a sucker. Instead of throwing a snowball on him, I'm actually gonna kick the snow on him. I missed. I got him. Nice one. My God! Seriously, it's like 1 degree. Oh my God, there's so much snow. I didn't want to kick it.
What are you doing, JJ?
Licking snow. It's cold. Guess what I'm doing? Ew! But it's disgusting. I do not like So, we're gonna show. I am going to show you the flip, but that's how I love to do. And when it's snowing and it's cold, the flip and flip. So let's do it. Ah! We forgot to say bye, so we just wanted to say bye. Thanks for watching and bye-bye. Please subscribe. Bye.